What are we doing here, bud? Family games are going pretty quick. Oh, nice. Nice, he got that big damage. Big boy, Bubba. And my cook is stroking himself in the gen side. That's pretty cool, dude. I don't know what he was saying, but I guess he was talking a lot of crap in the pregame lobby. He's over there not even able to get out of the gen side. What the fuck, dude? Like, who? What is this person, dude? Like, we playing the game, bro? Or what are we doing here, bro? What are we doing? Everywhere I turn, there they are. Oh, this guy's teleporting. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, you on PC, boy? You teleporting. You teleporting, my boy. Motorboat time. Just like Grandpa taught me, dude. Just like Grandpa taught me, dude. Hit him twice? He should be hurting bad. He should be hurting bad. Don't DC, bro. You have to watch. You have to watch, dude. Come back. Grandpa's gonna love you. Should've strung him up better. Okay. Alright, Mr. Leatherface, what we doing, bud? Need this Leatherface to help me carry this blood bones. Okay. Yeah, nothing too bad. Some more goodies for you. Probably need to start watching these gates now. Being a fan don't mean no harm. A couple of sussy bacas in here, huh? Sussy bacas, dude. Bone Daddy driving a tough 5 gone right. Fuck. Yep, I was gonna say, I think I see Connie over here, and I do. That's the fun part. I think there's 2 people over here, by the way. I think it's Connie and Leland or something? That might be Wyatt. Okay. They have a lot of points. Oh, the Virginia's are here. Queef. No queefing allowed, dude. Fucking bounds down there. Oh. Whatever. I need to go get this person. Come here, boy. No, no, no. Yeah, Wyatt. A little bitch. Where's the blood trail at? Just ends here. I have to fight my way through. What are you doing, boy? Now let me motorboat. What you doing, brother? I learned this about the slaughterhouse. I'm gonna reset that lock for you, little guy. And I'm probably getting out Jen's side. His bones is useless. Freaking bones, bro. Freaking loner boner, bro. Connie. Well, like, I like stab Grandpa, but like, we literally still have him level 3. Bro, what is this Bones doing, bro? I ain't had my phone yet. Ain't you shifty? GG. Bones is fun, smile. Come here, Anna. He missed her? Oh, someone's coming up to stab Grandpa. Watch out! You just accepted your fate and let me motorboat you. Just let me get that 4K, bruh. Where's she at, bruh? Where's she at, bruh? She died? Oh, I got a 4K. Yeah, nice 4K.